Hello, hello, 390 Wagon Master here with another patented Wagon Master unboxing. Hopefully I can get this done without the phone going off or the dogs barking. So this actually came in day before yesterday, and I'm a little behind schedule, folks. I know, cut away from you, I get it. Alright, so this is cool. Oh, sweet. I got some special edition president stickers. Nice. Might do a drawing for a few of those. Anyway, alright, cool. Or we could do a prize giveaway of some kind. Anyway, alright. So check this out. This is the new President Walker 4. So this is basically marketed as a professional grade, well, okay, no, more geared to truckers and hardcore AM guys, hardcore AM mobile guys, whatever. That thing looks cool. So we have AM FM mode, 40 channels, analog style meter, I love that, and the 6-pin mic connector. Alright, well, you know what? Let's take a look at it. Okay. See what is in the box. I'm a little behind here, guys. Doing a bunch of personal stuff, and man, I figured today's gonna be 100 degrees. Let's do something in the house. All right, cool. Got the President decal. Multi-language instruction manual. I like President instruction manuals. Okay, we've got the usual hardware. Mic clip, knobs, mounting screws, spare fuse. Another nice quality 3-pin unit and DIN, or yeah, 3-pin unit and power cord. And microphone, and a nice powder-coated bracket. I'm going to assume that's powder-coated. Anyway, that's like a mini DX bracket, like a mini 148 bracket. That's pretty cool. Alright, let's just get this cleared up a little here. And let's see what we have. I like that. I like the feel of that. Okay, so on the rear panel, 3-pin power plug, external speaker PA separate. I love that. That's awesome. Little input here for a Vox. I want to say that's a 16th inch. I don't know what it is metrically, but and then a really nice SO239 heavy duty heatsink, just like on a lot of those radios. Okay, so over here we have USB-A, or no, not USB-A, USB-C output for device charging, 6-pin mic jack, volume squelch, RF gain, oh I'm sorry, RF power, RF gain, and mic gain, just perfect. And a nice rotary encoder, weather channel, mode AM, FM, and then emergency 1 and 2, A&L noise blanker, and high cut. This is a 3-way. And it's got that old school feel. NRC, there goes the old school. Scan and PA. Very cool. Just so happens I actually have a unit and 3-pin all charged up and ready to go. I actually didn't plan on doing this. Alright, let's turn it on. No, I'm on auto squelch. It always freaks me out. There we go. That always gets me. You know, habit is I turn them all the way counterclockwise, right? Well, when you do that, you put it in auto squelch. So you got to go up to about like 8. 7 or 8 o'clock. I'm going to say 7. 7:45. Okay, RF gain. I heard some skip on 16 a while ago. I'm just checking all my stuff here. As you can see, this is the kind of noise level I deal with here. It's crazy. Let's go to channel where nobody's talking, right? Look at that. 5 to 7. That's usually it. And this is actually 6. I love that analog meter. That's cool. That's so cool. So 17 is the only channel rolling right now. Oh, RF power. I'm turning the RF gain. The way I'm standing here filming, this is hard for me to say. This is RF power. I'm like, well, that's not doing anything. There we go. The outer ring. All right, cool. Oh, and the mic gain's the set is the. So this is mic gain. This is RF gain. Good. So I generally run my RF gain about 2 to bring that noise level down, and this is about right. This is fitting with a lot of my other radios. I know this is a very technical calibration and very scientific, but it just seems like on most of these modern radios, I usually run them about 1 or 2 o'clock, and it'll bring that noise down, and then I have a little bit better signal to noise ratio. Yes, I have to turn the volume up more, but that's part of the whole deal. So anyway, let's see. All right, cool. And then we're going to push that. It's like, I guess, like a dimmer. And let's see if we push and hold it. So I haven't read any instructions. I don't really know what's going on, but that's pretty cool. All right, so today's a great day for this because I've just been kind of sandbagging West Coast, popular West Coast AM channel. And so we get some skip in this afternoon. I'll hang around and do some AM stuff with this, but I like it. I like the feel. It's got a nice solid feel, like a really rugged feel, right? Like this is something you'd want to put in a truck. And I like the size. I love this size because when you're mobile, you don't have to hunt and pick for anything. You know, you just basically got it, right? You got volume, right? You got your RF power. I almost said RF gain again. RF gain on the outer knob, because you don't really, right? Like you don't really use that very much. I like the RF power option, and then of course mic gain. All knobs fully clockwise on the mic gain, always. It's a Wagon Master must. But yeah, I'm going to put it through its paces, and I'll report back to you in a while. All right, cool. The all-new President Walker 4 FCC. Remember, guys, if they say FCC, they're non-modifiable. Which is a good thing because non-modifiable radios tend to last longer, right? All right. Thanks for watching. Cheers.